Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alvia and people call me Via. So now I will talking about the silent alphabet. For example is A. A usually silent in ically at the end of the word. For example is practically, basically and physically. The second is B. B is usually silent in the combination MB at the end of the word. For example is comb, climb, and thumb. And B also usually silent in the combination BT at the end of the word. For example is that, doubt, and subtle. The third is C. C is usually silent in combination SC before the letter I, E, and Y at the beginning of the word. For example is sin, sand, and scissors. And C also usually silent in combination SC in the middle of the word. For example is descent, discipline, and fascinate. And C also usually silent in skli at the end of the word. For example is muscle and corpuscle. The fourth is D. D usually silent in the word handkerchief, handsome, and kindness. The fifth is E. E usually silent at the end of the word, but not in maybe. For example is blue, through, and hope. E also usually silent in the middle of the word. For example is every, vegetable, and evening. The sixth is G. G usually silent in combination GN at the beginning of the word. For example is gnome, net, and no. And G also usually silent in combination GN at the end of the word. For example is sign, design, and resign. The seventh is G. G usually silent in combination GM at the end of the word. For example is diaphragm and flame. And the H is GH. GH are usually silent in combination GH in the middle of the word. For example is night, eight, and neighbor. And GH also usually silent in combination GH at the end of the word. For example is high, sigh, and through. The ninth is H. H is usually silent in combination RH at the beginning of the word. For example is rhyme, rhythm, and rhetoric. And H also usually silent in this word to our, school, and honest. The 10 is K. K usually silent in combination alf, alk, olk, out, and alm. For example is calf, walk, folk, good, and come. And the next is N. N usually silent in combination MN at the end of the word. For example is thumb. For example is autumn, column, and dumb. And the next is P. P usually silent in combination PS at the beginning of the word. For example is some, psyche, and psychology. And P also usually silent in combination PN at the beginning of the word. For example is pneumatic and humani. And P also usually silent in this word to cool, core, and cupboard. And the next is S. is usually silent in this word below island, isle, and debris. The next is T. T is usually silent in words ending in stin and stly. For example, is listen and castle. And T also usually silent in this word below often, soften, and Christmas. The next is W. W usually silent in combination WR at the beginning of the word. For example, is right, wrong, and wreck. And W also usually silent in combination who at the beginning of the word. For example, is who, whole, and whose. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.